Hello, and welcome to the B&K Precision Machining channel. Today, we present a project completed for a manufacturer of advanced pumping and environmental systems based in Denmark. The client approached us with a request for 5 precision machined housing components, key elements that ensure leak-tight performance, structural integrity, and dimensional accuracy within a complex fluid handling system. The technical drawings featured standard tolerances and required no special adjustments. After a thorough engineering review, the project was approved and scheduled for production. Machining was carried out on our state-of-the-art 5-axis HAAS center. This allowed us to achieve high-dimensional repeatability and excellent surface quality, while efficiently handling complex geometries with minimal repositioning. The process involves several stages: material cutting, CNC milling, deburring, surface preparation, and final finishing. Throughout the workflow, strict quality control was applied. Dimensional checks, material inspections, and in-process verifications were performed using calibrated equipment, ensuring each part met all specifications. After final inspection, the parts were securely packaged in shock-absorbing materials. The order was completed on time and delivered according to the client's schedule. At B&K Precision Machining, we combine precision, speed, and reliability, from first drawing to final delivery. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and visit bnkmachining.com to see more of our work.